to measure the reliability of your instrument. So as you can see here, we have 6 different survey items that were Likert type, meaning they were based on a scale of 1 to 5, or strongly disagree to strongly agree. And we had a total of 15 participants take this survey. So this is a very small data set, but it's mostly just to get the point across on how to calculate alpha. I'm using Microsoft Office, the Excel downloaded to program downloaded to my desktop. And it's important to know that you're going to be using this data analysis tool under this data tab here. If you don't have this show up immediately, you'll want to click on analysis tools and make sure that you have both of these items for these add-ins checked. We'll select data analysis. And we're going to use the ANOVA two-factor without replication option. Now you'll see it wants to know the range of data that we're going to use, and I'm only selecting the numerical data here. I'm not including the labels for the item names. For the output range, I like to use new worksheet so that it kicks out this table onto a new worksheet for us to view. And here we go. Here's our ANOVA table. This is what matters for us right now to calculate alpha. In fact, I'm going to just write alpha here because this is just a reminder to myself that we're going to calculate Cronbach's alpha here using a formula. And here is that formula. You will type equals 1 minus, and then open parentheses. And then we'll use this number here that falls under the mean square for error, divided by the mean square of rows, end parentheses, enter. As you can see, this alpha is 0.44, which is extremely low and would not be considered acceptable. However, again, this was only 15 participants with 5 items, so it's not expected to be necessarily high. This was totally fictional and made up. But that's how you calculate alpha.